Here's how to enable the Canvas Gradebook integration for Screencastify. From Canvas, we are going to head to Admin, select your organization, and then we are going to head down here to Developer Keys. From here, you'll see a lot of different versions of Screencastify on our end because we're in our test account, but you will only see one. And you are going to head over here to edit this key, assuming that you have already installed the LMS integration. And then from here, you're going to click Paste JSON, grab the JSON from the link we have provided, copy it, paste it over here, click Save. And from here, you're going to head to your Screencastify account. Under your account, click Settings. Then you will see a toggle for the Canvas Gradebook integration. Turn that on. Drop your URL that you use Canvas with right here. So for example, school.instructure.edu. And then you're going to head back to Canvas to grab your client ID, which you can find right here. Go ahead and grab that, drop it here alongside your instance URL, click Save and Enable, and that's it.